Hello, my name is Priscilla Kanjon.
Hello, my name is Xuanying. We are both from Australian National University.
We are presenting our research on evaluating human impressions of an initiative-taking robot. It is important to understand how to design social robots. Our study investigates people's impressions and emotions when a robot takes initiative. We have three research questions. Does an initiative-taking robot produce a better impression on humans? Does it make a difference if humans experience an initiative-taking robot first?
And do participants' galvanic skin response express higher emotional arousal when they interact with an active robot?
Our experimental design had two groups of participants, A and B. Group A experienced a robot that took initiative first in a greeting scenario, before experiencing the same robot without the initiative taking. In Group B, the order of the scenarios was reversed.
We recruited 16 participants and we asked them to fill in 2 questionnaires. We also measured their galvanic skin response.
To analyze our questionnaires data, we used three approaches. We investigated within-group differences using paired tests, order of interaction using 2 sample difference tests, first and second interactions, as well as active and passive interactions for all participants were investigated using paired difference tests.
For GSR data, we extracted 14 features, 6 out of which are related to emotional arousal. For each of the features, we did statistical tests similar to what we did for the questionnaires. And finally, we built 3 classifiers aiming to differentiate between active and passive interactions.
Our results show that participants tended to have a better impression of a robot when it took initiative. We also found that the order of interaction may matter. Different measures were significant depending on whether they were from Group A or B. However, the independent group tests between active and passive interactions showed no statistical significance.
The GSR results showed that active interactions seemed to provoke higher emotional arousal, given that true physic features were higher in active interactions, regardless of order. The interaction order seemed to matter, given that true physic GSR features were higher in passive section of Group B than in Group A. And finally, classifiers were able to differentiate between active and passive interactions by up to 85%, achieved by support vector machine.
In conclusion, participants reported an overall better impression of the robot when it took initiatives. Moreover, the order of interaction seemed to matter. This suggests that to design social robots, we may want to have passive before active interactions, especially to notice the initiative taking.
Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have any questions, please contact us.